Hey guys, how's it going? It's today's Boogie. Thank you for tuning in on another video. So today guys, we're going to go ahead and be showing you guys the difference between a 8th-gen Honda Civic EX's muffler and the difference between that and an 8th-gen Honda Civic SI's muffler. These both mufflers are OEM guys, so you guys be sure to keep that in mind. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the rest of the video. Alright guys, so just before we go ahead and get to the SI part, I want to go ahead and show you guys how the EX's muffler sounds. So let's go ahead and get right into that right now. Alright guys, so that's basically how the EX's muffler sounds at this point right now. I know I did say on my video, on my last review, that I said I was gonna sell the car, but some things came up since the post and since I did that video, so I just never got around to tweaking it. But nonetheless guys, this is the car. I have it for now. It's a blessing, so I'm just gonna go ahead with it until I can afford another one. But nonetheless guys, let's go ahead and get to the rest of the video. So this is my car here guys. So Gio went ahead and did me the favor of telling me how to get into it and how to work my way into it faster. So what he went ahead and did was lifted the car up from one side, not both sides. So I went ahead and did that, put the car jack stand on the bottom. So now all I'm waiting for is for the whole system to cool down, so I just got here right now. So we're gonna go ahead and let that cool down. He said that that does take a short amount of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait on that. But nonetheless guys, this is my SI muffler right here. You guys can definitely tell the difference once I get it close and close to each other. This one's very skinny, narrow. This one has that tip right there. So I bought this one guys from OfferUp. I think I paid maybe 40 bucks. The only bad thing was that it didn't come with bolts. So hopefully I'm having my fingers crossed that I could just go ahead and just remove that right there and just put those right back in there, and that everything will fit nice, perfectly snug. So that's what I'm hoping, and I have my fingers crossed. So yeah guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let that wait, and let's get to the next part. Yeah guys, so like I said, I did buy that one from OfferUp. But I just want to go ahead and make it clear that I did go ahead and buy the whole thing. So it wasn't just the muffler itself. 40 bucks guys, on eBay it was 120. So definitely good investment. You guys be sure to check out some stuff on that page.
What's up, brother? What's up? Pull them out, bro. That from there, bro. There you go, there you go.
¿Esta mierda?
Ya ponla aquí cerca. God damn it.
¿Dónde está más grande?
I think it's gonna fit.
Oh.
I think it's gonna fit. Okay, can you hold it like that?
Put it in?
Yep. So it'll go out like that. Quedó bien. This is gonna be loose, pero se apretó. You know what I'm saying? So we do it over here next time. Does it sound different?
You hear purr?
Okay. You didn't hear that before?
No.
Oh.
I mean, you kind of could, but not like, I don't know, you just hear purrs.
Alright guys, that pretty much sums up the video, guys. I just want to go ahead and say thank you so much to everybody who made it this far in the video. Thank you guys for all your incredible support. I really appreciate all of you guys. I really appreciate your likes, your comments, and all my subscription, guys. Thank you guys so much. Nonetheless, guys, I appreciate you guys for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nonetheless, you guys be sure to go check out some of my other videos. I'll be sure to put some up on the screens. Nonetheless, guys, just thank you guys so much. Like I always keep saying, you guys are incredible, amazing. Thank you to all my viewers and all my supporters. You guys are the best. You guys have a great day.